The Special Administrator of Suva City Council, Mr. Chandu Maria, Special Administrator for Lemi, the management and staff of Suva City Council, invited guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka, and a very good day to you all. I am happy to be invited this morning to officiate at the launch of the 2 new garbage compactor trucks and a new green waste shredder machine for the waste management purpose. As the line minister, I am pleased to see positive development of our capital city in contributing to the improved service delivery mandated by the government of the day. Indeed, issue of solid waste management is critical to the operation of any municipality. Suva, with no exception, is the capital city and as such becomes the face of our nation to the extent that any positive portrayal of service delivery by the city translates into good public image for the country and for the matter in the region as a whole. Chipping, also referred to as shredding, is a common process relying special equipment like shredder to reduce green waste to wood chips practice of different sizes. Given the bulky nature of green waste in Suva, chipping shredding provides an efficient and effective method of reducing both the mass and volume of waste going to the landfill and can be used for our flower gardens. It is only befitting that I congratulate you, the Special Administrator, and your entire team for your foresight and decision in investing the ratepayers' fund in the very essential and demanding area of waste management. And here I would like to make an announcement. I am here with good news, Mr. Special Administrator, that yesterday Cabinet has approved the subsidy for the municipalities in the Central Division. The ratepayers, residents, citizens, visitors, and the government of the day expect a clean and a healthy capital city, and Suva City Council, no doubt, has been delivering to the desired expectation. I'm told that the 2 Hino brand garbage compactor trucks and green waste shredder supplied through local agents, Niranjans, has cost Council $705,000. This is a very significant investment by the Council and will go a long way in delivering effective and efficient service to the area of solid waste management. About 18% or $5 million of the Council's budget is utilized on waste management. On average, 80 tons of garbage and 10 tons is collected daily from Suva City for disposal at the Namboro landfill. On a related note, I am pleased to learn that the city has already planned to inject 2 more similar garbage compactor trucks into its fleet upgrade program. These 2 new trucks are anticipated to be delivered by the late this year or early 2016. Implemented initiatives on waste minimization, such as the popular Japanese 3R concept, reduce, reuse, recycle, by placing environmental friendly messages on the new garbage compactor trucks. May I take this opportunity to remind residents and ratepayers of Suva to be in harmony with these efforts by effecting a radical departure from the littering culture. There is a compelling need for change of behavior and mindset for us to sustainably keep Suva clean. To this end, the city needs to mount an aggressive campaign to foster the Keep Suva Clean campaign. And I must urge to the ratepayers of Suva, have pride for your city. Who is creating this mess? Who is throwing rubbish here and there? It's us. And then we have to spend close to $1 million buying equipment and providing services for this. If you can reduce, then this type of money can be used in other areas for the development of your city. But please, it's not only for Suva, but for the entire country. This is my message. Do not litter. We need to be proud and have pride for our towns and cities. Finally, I would like to sincerely thank the Suva City Council, the other donor agencies like JICA, UNDP, corporate entities, ratepayers, and all other stakeholders who have contributed so much in lifting the profile of the Suva City to a level that we can all be proud to say that Suva is a clean, healthy, and a beautiful city. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank the administrator and the Suva City Council for the worthy investment in the purchase of these waste management trucks and machine, and I now proudly declare the official launching of the same. Thank you and Vinaka.